Our next topic related to this paragraph, that is fill in the blanks. Different food crops are grown by farmers because farming is a main occupation for the farmer, and agriculture is totally dependent on the farm. The farmer plows the field and sow seed into the soil. Sow the seed means put the seed into the soil for growing the crops. So what is the answer? Seed. The farmer take care of the dash. So what is the answer? Crops. Who take care about the crops? Farmer. The wholesaler market where the food, grains, fruits and vegetables sent it called mandi. Okay, and from the mandi, small shopkeepers bring the materials or goods. From a mandi, dash and dash, grocer and shopkeeper. Grocer means those who are sell all type of grocery, vegetables, pulses, cereal and all routine item which we require every day, that is called grocery. And second, shopkeeper buy the crops in bulk. Bulk means quantity. They buy in a quantity of material, that is called bulk. Next, handling the food. When the farmer harvested the food and when we bring the food for our basic requirement, so how we can handle in the food? Because we can store the grains and pulses. Some of the items we store whole years. So how we can handle it? It cannot be spoiled. It is very important to handle the food if we eat properly. Should not be let our food get spoiled. Spoiled means to be decayed, okay, and produce a microbes and worms in the food item, that is called spoiled or wasted. Okay, maybe the worms are there and the कीड़े हो जाते हैं and the grains and pulses are converted into the powdery form that we cannot use for eating. That is called wasted of food. Okay, so here underline the spelling of wasted. Spoilage of food. The food we eat should always be fresh. Okay, if we have to prepare the food, so we prepare it only the requirement of our person at our home. Like 5 to 6 person are there. So basis of that we have to choose the quantity of the food to become it to fresh. Eating a fresh food keep us healthy, and spoiled or stale food can be causes disease. What is the meaning of disease? Bimari. If we can eat a spoiled food, okay, so we can suffering from disease. D-I-S-E-A-S. Now our next topic. How we can handle the food here? We have to see that. So here some way to protect the food to preserve to against a poisoning of food. Poisoning, P-O-I-S-O-I-N-G. Poisoning means after 7 to 8 hours the chemical reaction between there in the food, because the oils and the ingredients and the spice are added. Sometimes lemons is added in some food item. We can use the curd in some food item. So there will be a chemical reaction, and after 7 to 8 hours fungus are produced in the food item. Okay, the smell are detected from the food item. That is called poisoning. Or if that type of food is eaten by us, so maybe a vomiting and diarrhea disease is occur. We can save our food from the spoilage by following way. Always keep the food covered. Never use the food without cover. Store the food in refrigerator. If extra food is there, so it can be prepared in the morning and it's little bit fresh, so we can use some of the food item kept in the refrigerator and we can use. Store dry item like pulses and rice in a dry container. container. Underline the spelling of container and underline the spelling of refrigerator. Okay. Container means the pulses and rice or some grocery we can put in our plastic container or steel container. Okay. So airtight because the outside air do not enter into the container and protect the food from the spoilage and worms. Now wastage of food. Food should not be wasted. Okay, because here see in our India so many people sleep, okay, without eating. They cannot afford a costly food and here we can throw the food, we can wastage the food. So instead of wastage, we can give them. In a country like India, where a large part of the population, okay, too much population is there. Population is increased day to day. And due to their population, more people, population is there. What is the meaning of their population? More people is there in our country in a comparison of other country. That is called population. So underline the spelling of population. Is poor and cannot be afford even one proper meal a day. Okay. Sometimes you have to go with your parents when the birthday is there in your family. Yeah, when some celebration is there in your family. And maybe there you have to wasted so many food. And here the person, those who are not afforded, those who are poor, they can not get this type of food और आप होटल में waste करते हो. So instead of that we have to help them. We should try to minimize the wastage of food. Here are some steps to avoid the wastage of food by following simple manner. Do not put excess food on your plate at home or at parties. Okay, excessive means if required, that only we have to take the food in the plate. Our capability is there to eat only 2 or 3 rotis, okay, or 2 or 3 parathas. So only we have to take that much food. Do not take excessive food. Extra food नहीं लेना है जो आप उसको बिगाड़ते हो, spoil करते हो. At home or in a parties, because in parties we can think this is not our food. If we are wasted, so our money it's not be wasted. No, here so many peoples are not afforded that costly food, so at least we have to help them. Cook the food according. According means requirement. According to the number of people to be served. Okay, at our home, we know every day 2 or 3 people are there, so we have to cook the food according to the requirement of food. Give the leftover food to the needed people. The people those who are not afforded. So if any 2 or 3 extra roti is there in our container, so we have to give the extra food to the needy people. We cannot throw and we cannot waste. Store food properly so that it does not become stale or get spoiled. If extra food is there, okay, so we have to put this food into the refrigerator. So in the evening, at least we can utilize this. Okay, so that way we can conserve and stop to wastage of food. Now here the activity is there. Fill in the blanks. Always keep the food covered. Okay, this is a textbook exercise. Fill in the blanks. Always keep the food covered. We should protect the food from getting a spoilage. This is our moral duty. The process of separating a grains from the harvested crop is called threshing. What it is called? Threshing. Threshing. S-H-I-N-G. The wholesaler market where food, grains, fruits and vegetables are brought from Mandali. Okay, brought to the Mandali. Wholesaler market में से वो food कहाँ पे आता है? Grains और food और grocery from wholesaler to brought into the Mandali. Now next, true or false? Rice is a cereal. So answer is true. Wheat is grown in fields fields. Yes. True. Oil seeds are eaten raw. False. No. Oil seeds में से oil extract करते हैं, पहले बाहर निकालते हैं, then we can use. Yeah. But some oil seeds like sesame, almond, cashew nut, that we can eat raw. But sunflower oil seed we cannot eat raw. Okay. So some oil seed we can eat raw. So answer is true. Because also like only sunflower oil seed we cannot eat raw. But cashew nut, sesame, okay, that we can eat raw. So here we can write yes or no. Okay. True और लिख सकते हैं और false भी लिख सकते हैं. We should throw away the surplus food. False. We can give the surplus food to the needy people. Surplus means extra food. We should store food in a refrigerator. Yes. If it is extra, then we can store in a refrigerator. But dry items like we can store in container. So it's a true. Now next, short answer type question. Okay. So this short answer type question you have to write in the notebook from material. So dear students, here we can complete our chapter number 6, journey of food. You have to first write the spelling, watch the video properly, complete all textual exercise in the textbook only, and write only question answer and spelling in the notebook. Thank you very much.